welcome to day 2 of the Missouri Star Quilt Company's Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, the unboxing of the gifts that we get in this wonderful box. So I am going to open today's gift, which is day 2, and you can see it here. Yesterday, if you saw, we got this little guy. Not sure what I'll do with it. Not too impressed with it. Not too happy with it. You know, this box was a lot of money, and I guess I was hoping that the first gift would be a quilting related gift, not an advertisement. But hey, you know what? It's cute. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I'm going to set it aside for right now and move on to day 2 and hope that it's a little bit better. So this is the box, and it's jam-packed. In fact, I can't even close it now because I've been digging through it for the different gifts. And day 2 is this one, and it feels like fabric. It actually feels like possibly a charm pack, which if it is, that will redeem yesterday's gifts. So let's see what we've got. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Missouri Star Quilt Company, if you're watching, you're forgiven for yesterday's gift because this is adorable and I love it. So this is Moda Fabric. It's a charm pack and it's called Songbook, and it's by Fancy That Dresden House, I think. And it's adorable. Look at how cute this is. And the fabrics, oh my gosh. The fabrics are to die for. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on, let me get this out of the way so we can take a peek at this fabric. Can you see it? And I'll put a insert picture of this because this is so cute, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. There's so many cute little floral fabrics in it. So thank you, Missouri Star Quilt Company. You came through on day 2, and I appreciate that. And I can't wait to see what day 3 is. And you know what? I forgot to show yesterday, the next days, but I will. Here's day 3. It's something in a plastic package, but I have no idea what it is. So stay tuned for day 3 of this unboxing. And I don't know what I will make with this, but I absolutely will make something. It's so cute. I hope you have a great week. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. See you soon. Bye.